house is looking bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, who designed this?
They always look small on the drawings, and then you build them in real life. You're like, oh my gosh, this is way too tall.
Yeah.
Every time.
It smells like burnt oil every time I drive somewhere.
As long as it's still going.
Hey, this thing is going
it's a
strong.
Dodge. I don't know what you were expecting.
It's going strong.
Valve cover gaskets, bro. That's all. Mine leaked for like 8 years. And then Brandon changed my valve cover gasket.
We're at the job again, and we're going to do something we do in the morning called coming up with a game plan. That means we don't know what we're doing until we stand here and look around.
Yeah, when I get the text in the morning that says plan, I usually reply no.
Yeah, I reply 2 thumbs up. So what we're going to do after talking for a second here is we're going to split up. Some of us are going to start sheathing these big high walls that we stood up yesterday with no sheathing on them. Not it. Not it. And then some of us are going to break off down here and frame the rest of the inside walls.
Hey, is there another option?
We got sheathing or walls.
No.
Third option, no.
You know, I'm thinking we'll do buck right here, $2 to $3, walkboard across. We'll be in a perfect spot. No bending over, no reaching up.
Yep.
Be nice and easy.
Let's get her set up.
Yeah.
Yo, Jason.
Yeah.
You did the scaffolding brace exactly how Jamie described to do it. Good job. Hold it in the middle. Hold in the middle.
Didn't even pinch your fingers, did it?
Nope.
There you go.
Yeah, right
That's
there.
it. That's the height. We're just checking out the situation. We have our brace that's bracing this wall plumb right here. So we're going to start on that end. It seems very common sense, but you'd be surprised. And then once this is braced by the sheathing that we put on the wall, then we can take that brace off and everything will be great. Jono and I are in the master bedroom. We're on the wall detail, and we're gonna frame the master bathroom, which is here, and I guess you'd call it like a towel closet right here. So he's loaded up, we're ready. We're getting going with our plates inside here. One pro tip is we cut these out of scraps. If you look way over here, there's a pile of all of our cutoffs, so we don't waste material because it's really expensive, and it's really wasteful to just waste it. I hate that. So these are from cutoffs. These are plates for this little closet wall. And another pro tip, we're gonna lay them out. This wall's gonna go right here, but I wanna copy the same layout as in the exterior wall. That way I know all the framing is the same. So I'm just gonna lay it there and borrow Jono's pencil, and I can grab, foiled again. I can grab that stud right there, and then it's gonna go stud at the end. So we know the stud on both sides of the closet's in the same location without having to do any thinking, which is what I like. Way better than normal screws. Setting up this scaffolding on the back of the house, and this reminds me of a few times when we didn't have enough room back here. Remember out in Paloy Cove?
Yes.
We built this house, and it was about as tall as this house, but it was like 15 feet closer to the bank, and we couldn't even lean a ladder that was kicked out far enough. You remember that?
Yeah, that was a big problem.
So I think what we did was we built sort of this homemade scaffolding that went from the house, and we notched it into the bank.
Yeah.
And then we put walkboards across that, and that was the only way we could build it. So this is nice. We've got room for scaffolding, and you can still walk around the scaffolding.
That's it.
Which isn't always the case in the mountains.
And we got to say, we kind of did this on purpose.
Yes, and I wish we had pictures from, 15 years ago of us building this crazy stuff all through the years, but we don't. We never thought to take a single picture or video.
Who cares?
We had flip phones. My dad still has a flip phone.
Yeah, talking about flip phones, my son's about to get a flip phone.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Does he have an iPhone right now?
Oh, of course. Living his best life.
You seen Jason out there?
I've tried not to.
Seems like he does this for about 2 days every New Year. Like
his-
goes crazy lifting stuff on the job site.
It's his New Year's resolution till New Year's, I think.
That's right, which is today. I think he wants to wear his muscle shirt to the casino.
That is. Hey, Muscle Man. Yeah. You going to the casino tonight?
Dang it. There was no forecast for rain.
Dude, what is weather? How does it even happen? You know, it just pops out of nowhere, and there it is.
He looks like he works in a hot rod shop.
That is the greatest question I've heard. Oh, boys, Jamie's got the checkbook out, so I guess we're going home. They don't even care. They're just like... doot, 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 doot.
Oh, we care already.
So Jamie took off,
Yeah, he's gone.
and the second he leaves, it stops raining. So we're going to chill a
It
minute.
hasn't stopped yet, but
I don't know.
Eric just doesn't really want to go home. So. Which way is it coming from?
It's coming from that way. So we've been standing here for like an hour. Indecision's the worst, isn't it? It's like, should we leave? Is it gonna stop
We're
raining?
not indecisive. You are. We knew what to do a long time ago.
Well, I know, but I just think we can get some walls built, and I keep thinking it's gonna stop raining, and then it keeps raining.
Oh, look at blue skies. Oh, I
Oh,
can
there it
see
is.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. So if you couldn't tell, Jamie and Jono, they went home.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking we could still build some walls.
Yeah, that's what you've been thinking.
John was like, y'all gonna build some walls? We're like, we think so. All right, man, we'll see you Monday.
That is what he said.
Exactly.
Nailing these cripples in, you see this botched up a lot on other jobs or jobs I've walked by and just looked at the nailing. So what I like to use my square to get this thing where it needs to go. And then I like to take one shot either through the header or through the cripple to set that alignment. Because if you shoot it from the side first, what's it gonna do? When you pin it, it's gonna go and like that. So I always shoot one straight to keep it aligned, and then I'll come in from each side and do the toenails. And then usually when I stand the wall up, I'll get one from the other side once it's stood and you can get to the other side.
That's a good job, buddy.
This one, the cripple's sitting a little low of the header. See that? So I'm gonna shoot this way first, and the nail will want to bring the cripple up if I hit it once. So now we're flush. It's actually a little past.
Wow, you're like a real carpenter.
Well,
Have you done this
just
stuff
shot
before?
10 million nails, that's all. I'll bet 20 million.
20 million. Let's figure that out per house, Jones. See how much that is.
I figured out there was something like 75,000 nails in a house.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
If you added up all the finish nails and roofing nails and stuff.
Wow.
So I get it why Jamie wanted to leave. We're sort of scarred for life from sitting out rainstorms with our dad in a single cab pickup truck for hours as a kid. And he wouldn't even turn the truck on just to like run the air so it wasn't all fogged up in there. And you know, you can't even see out the windows. So nowadays, you know, he's like, I'm out of here because of that like scarring experience as a child sitting in a truck with your dad for hours while it rains.
Yeah, I also think he's got about 800 things on his mind that he's like, I could be doing something
Oh
else
yeah,
than
he's
right
like
now.
working on his milling machine or something.
Yeah, I guarantee
But,
he's not home doing nothing.
Yeah, but I mean, you got to take advantage of warm weather in December or January.
Yeah, people don't know it's what?
It's like
New
60.
Year's
Yeah,
Eve,
it's
and
like
it's like
60
65
degrees. Yeah, and normally it's like 35 degrees.
Yeah,
so.
we were in t-shirts yesterday.
Yes, I mean, this is nice now it's raining. Not raining. We've got another wall assembled here, and we did something different. This was a 30-inch door on the plan, but there's a 36 entry, 36 into the bedroom, And then we decided just to go 36 here because then if you got injured and were in a wheelchair or something, you could access the bathroom, your bedroom, the rest of the house.
I mean, you have room, you might as well.
You have
Why
room.
not?
So, you know, that's maybe a good idea. Something to think about the future, getting older.
And
Jason.
you are getting older. Dude, I'm a machine, bro. You saw me do them pull-ups. My rotator cuffs hurt so bad, I can hardly lift this thing up. That hurts.
From what?
I don't know, just both of them. They hurt so bad, dude. Just picking this up like that hurts my shoulders
Huh.
every day.
We're going to have to make you the office manager. Yeah, Perkins Enterprises, what do you want? No, we're not going to build you a house.
No! Quit calling us, dude. We told you once. Not building you crap. Tell your friends, too. We ain't building nothing.
This is the master bathroom. It's 6 feet wide. Like a normal bathroom is 5 feet wide. What? Am I a 6 foot wingspan here?
Dude, you're like an eagle.
My wingspan is taller than I am tall. So we're gonna maybe see if we can get a 6 foot wide shower insert, which normal are 60 inches. But I'm thinking that would be really nice. What do you think?
Yeah.
It'd be huge.
Yeah. I mean, you got the space, don't you?
Yeah. 2 vanities, 1, 2, toilet over there, linen closet. That's the layout. It's a nice big bathroom. 72 inches. I was told once that your arm span is the same as your height.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
But I mean, I'm lapping an inch, so I'm like 6'1", right?
How you doing there, Jason?
Oh, look how short your arms are. Are you joking me?
I'm only
Same right there.
I'm only 5'8", bro. Dude,
Let me try.
You're like half eagle. Bro.
What is going on right now? You're like 6 inches shy of that. Hang on, let me back up.
So is Joe.
What? I did not know I had abnormally long arms till just this moment in my life.
How tall are you?
Normally long something
5'10".
5'8". That's about 2 inches short.
We're laying out and building these interior walls, and it just crossed my mind that something so critical for laying out interior walls is knowing where to start your layout. And for the most part, on an interior wall, you want to start your layout still at the outside of the structure, which would be the inside of the sheathing layer here. So for a wall like this that butts into a 3.5 inch wall, see that? I'm pulling the layout from the outside of the structure still, which means I'm hanging 3.5 past the end of the plate to get my first 16 center. And I can just keep the tape like that, or I can do one and then hook on my 16 and run the rest. So I've seen a lot of people just get really confused about doing interior walls. What's the best way to lay it out? I think that's the best way. That way all of the studs, interior walls, exterior walls, floor joists, everything lines up everywhere through the house. So that's just something I've learned over the years.
All right, here we go. Why is it raining, dude? Wow. Almost lost her, Daddy.
Did you?
What the? I should have pushed it up. Oh man, there's a Shangalotopus nail sticking out.
Oh, tight fit. Once you get your end over.
I'm farther than you are.
Tight. Here, lean it back down and slide. Wow!
Wow.
Now stand it.
Hold on.
There
Bro, what is going on? It's pouring rain again.
It is.
This is crap.
You never watched
We're not even on the clock. That's what really sucks. We already got paid.
So I already paid these guys for a half day, and then we ate lunch, and then we started working again. Look, the awesome framers out in like Seattle, they work pouring rain all the time.
Wonderful.
You ever watched them
Last
on
time I
Instagram?
checked the map, this was not Seattle. Last time I looked.
Nor are we awesome framers.
Yeah. Raining again. All right, let's call it after this wall. We came, we tried, we really
Another one
tried.
a little bit longer than that too.
Well, fellas, we gave it a valiant effort.
Yeah,
We got soaked like 10 times.
I know.
You know what I've learned is we're not the awesome framers. Like, they can have the rain. I'm not cut out for the rain.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for building with us. We got something done. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hope you have a good one.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go home and go to bed.
That's
I'm gonna go home and work out.
You're right.
I've never been more teased today than my entire life. Every 5 minutes. Let's go home. Oh no, let's stay. Oh, here comes the rain. Let's go home. Oh, let's stay. Let's stay. Let's stay.
You know who wasn't teased at all? Jamie. He went home like 4 hours ago.
Yeah, I know.
But you know what? When you're the boss, I guess you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
I must be the gym calling me. You want to see something crazy though?
Yo,
What's going on?
I'm down in the basement here.
Yeah.
We're not in the basement. You know that, right?
Oh, what are y'all doing?
We're building walls.
Shut up.
We are right now.
No, you're not.
The
Yes,
sun's
we
out.
are.
Shut up.